Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be doing past tense in Zulu. It's basically the easiest thing in Zulu, basically past tense, right? So there's only two things you need to know in past tense in Zulu, right? Is E. So let me get my drawing thingy majingy out here. Okay, so E and Ile. So basically in past tense, if you get a sentence, okay, so now obviously it's going to be in present tense. So you get a sentence in present tense. The only way to change it into past tense is to change the end of the letter verb. You either change it to E or Ile. Now I might be thinking, what do you change it with? I mean, you got E and Ile. I want you to look very, very carefully. So let's go to these sentences, right? Now, you only, okay, so let me just write E and Ile. Now, okay, so E, 1 second, just let me go down. E and Ile. Right. So we're going to be using these two words, right? But we need to choose, right? Okay. So the first one, utembe, ubema, ugwei. So basically that means the temba smokes like tobacco, right? Now obviously that's present tense. We need to say smoked tobacco. So all we have to do is identify the verb. The verb is uku bema, that's smoke. So all we have to do is to change the A into either E or Ile. Now I can tell you for a fact it's going to be E. So ubeme, and that's it. And as you can see, that is 100% right. Can you see? Utembe, ubeme, ugwai. So all they did is remove the A and put it E. Now, the reason why they put E and not Ile, it's when you have an object in the sentence. Because take the sentence, utembe smokes cigarettes. Smokes cigarettes. So when you say smoked cigarette, it's referring to, yes, he smoked, past tense, but what he did, cigarettes. So it consists of an object. But if I say Tembe studies, and in the past tense will be Tembe studied, there is no object, then I'll use E. For example, Ile. Abafuni bayafunda. The students are studying. The past tense, the students studied. There is no object in the sentence. All I have to say is Abafuni baya fundile. And if we see what number is at 8, there we go. Ba fundile, I-E-L-E. So you see when it's object in a sentence, use E. For example, Ubaba usika uchani. The father cuts grass, right? Now, obviously, grass and objects. The father cut grass, so you know we have to have E. So change the verb to E. Usika is cut, so usike. Put an E over there. Ubaba useke ushani. Done. Now let's look for another one where it has Ile, right? We can see over here I got Ile. Let's see. Okay, mostly don't have Ile, yeah, okay? So if I say Nigi Funda, I study, what will be the past tense? It'll be Nigi Fun Dile, I studied. So whenever you have a sentence without an object, you'll use Ile. If you have a sentence that with the E, that has an object is E, most likely sentences will always have something object, so you'll have E. But you'll recognize it. For example, this over here, I can tell you for a fact it's going to have Ile because there is no object. Amakele ayabema. I can already tell. I don't even know the translation, but I can already tell there is no object in the sentence. Huh? And yeah, I was right. Amakela abemililia. So when there is no object in the sentence is very short. You just have to put the Ile, and that's past tense really. That's it. Easy stuff. I will say it's easier than Afrikaans. Yeah, het and ko. I still remember that days, man, nightmares.